Now, homeowners really love their cordless tools, just like Joe, but you probably have a few of those tools around your shop with cords.
When you have a corded tool and you're working in the shop, then it means you have to string extension cords to the tool. And the problem there is if you pull it across the floor, there's a trip hazard.
Right.
So one solution is to get a power strip like we have here. But if you take the power strip and permanently mount it to a workbench or to a wall, it never seems to be where you're working, and then you still have to run an extension cord from the power strip.
Right, because you're usually working out in the middle of the shop on a couple sawhorses. Right. You still have those cords coming from the strip.
Here's the solution. Take the power strip and mount it to a 1x4 board. This has keyhole slots in the back. You just put it over the screw heads and slide it forward, and it locks on. Then bring it up and just screw it right to a ceiling joist like this. And then here I ran an extension cord up over the joist. Just plug the power strip in, and then anytime you need to use it, swing it down, and you can plug your cord from your tool right into it without using an extension at all.
Okay, I can see a problem here in that screw sooner or later will get loose. That'll drop down. You won't notice it, bam, hit you in the head.
That could happen, and one way to prevent that is just take a little block of 1x2 and screw it to the bottom of the joist. And then when you swing it forward, pivot it forward, it'll prevent that from falling down.
Okay.
When you need to use it, pivot it back.
Just a little safety catch. That's perfect. Well, this really puts the power right where you need it.